guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, I will be showing you how to do a clean girl makeup look. So we are going on with the trend now. But before moving the video further, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, or if you are a new visitor, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me, so please don't wait and go ahead so that we can move further into the video. Please go quickly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you are notified with all of my new upcoming updates. So guys, now if you are done with the subscribe button, please do it if you haven't even yet. So if you are done with that, let's now continue with the clean girl makeup. So guys, today I will be showing you how to do the clean girl makeup look. You might be watching the clean girl makeup look all through the internet and YouTube, and you would be thinking, what is this now? So guys, it is nothing but it is just an extended version of no makeup look. I feel so, because it is like the makeup routine is equal to the no makeup look. It is very similar, you can say, just it is bit classy. Clean girl makeup look means little bit classy. In no makeup look, the hairstyle doesn't matter, but in clean girl makeup look you have to be very chic, very clean, and just like the title says, clean, which means you have to look very polished and very presentable and very put together. So guys, let's start with the video. It's not very complicated, and also you can use this as your everyday makeup look, but everyday makeup look is something very different, I feel, because when we say everyday makeup look, it depends upon person to person, like how an individual wants to dress up, how an individual wants to do their makeup. Like some people, like for them, they everyday makeup look might be glam, but when it comes to no makeup look or something like the clean girl makeup look, it has to be very minimal, very subtle, and but still needs to be look very polished and put together, as I have said you earlier. So guys, without any further ado, let's continue with the video. And if you want to, you can just download the video, save it, and whenever you want to go out, and if you like doing subtle makeup looks, you can just follow this routine. Also, you might be watching me wearing a pendant for the first time. There's no special occasion, it's just that I got a bit pumped up and I thought I will be wearing and adding a little bit of accessories just to look a little better in the video. I have a lot of accessories, but I'm very lazy. Okay, there are no excuses, no other words for this lazy term. I'm very lazy to take out my jewelry, put it on, and again take my accessories and put it back on the same place. So that's why I never mind even to take them off, even though I'm going out. But today I did a little bit of effort, so for this effort my reward should be a good like and comment, and you can share also as a bonus point. So yeah, let's continue with today's video without blabbering anymore. So guys, whenever something like clean girl or everyday or might be no makeup look comes, the first and foremost thing, as I've said you earlier and I will always say you, is to prepare our skin. I just came back from outside before filming this video, so I have cleansed my face properly, and my skin feels very cracky, very dry. So whatever makeup we will put in this face will not last, will not look good at all. So what we are gonna do is we are quickly going to hydrate this face and make it prepare and make it ready for all the makeup products that we are going to put it on. By the way guys, there's a bad news. Did you remember I had a hand mirror which had like a beer shaped, not beer shaped, but what do we say, I don't know, whatever shape. It had 2 ears and it was a very cute hand mirror, but unfortunately it got broken. I don't know how. So I don't have a mirror right now, and it is very uncomfortable to shoot like this, but we gotta do it. So to prepare my skin, as I have already said you 1000 times, that I love this Color Blue Light Defense Luminous Moisturizing Cream for the summer season. We will be using the same today. I've been using this since summer started. So the next product I will be using is this Bhubaneswari Padhi's Illuminating Moisturizer, and this is like a strobe cream. You can avoid this step. This is just an extra step to make my skin look better. I'm just applying it to my high points so that it has the glow. I just took a little bit more of the product and so I hope you can notice the glow and the difference after using this product. So once we are done with that, I will be directly going on with my foundation, and for that I will be using today the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Fit Me Foundation. For something like a no makeup look or the clean girl makeup look, you have to use a foundation that is having very sheer coverage and is very light on the skin and feels like skin, and also gives this coverage that is skin like only, and not a very full coverage foundation or not a very thick foundation which will like just completely vanish your dark circles, vanish your blemishes and all of that. You have to be very clean. So I took a little bit of the product on the back of my hand and I will just dot it around my face. So this foundation might look a little bit light on my skin as of now because my summer skin tone is little bit warmer and darker. So I'm taking my Henna Beauty blender today, and this is very amazing beauty blender, and now I will go quickly and blend in the foundation. Because this is a very skin like foundation and very light, as I said, the coverage will be very light. If you want, you can go on with another layer. So this is the coverage that I've got from the foundation. I will be just taking a little bit more of that because I'm using a very light foundation, and then again I'm using a beauty blender. The coverage is getting lighter and more subtle. If I will be using the same foundation with a brush, the coverage will just improve a little bit, but because the theme of the video will not let me use a brush, because this will do justice to the makeup title, I'm using the beauty blender. Okay, I will just dot it around little bit on my neck area as well, and yeah, that's it. I'm just taking the butt of the beauty blender and like applying the foundation on my eyelid and around the eyes as well. It's fine, you can do this. I hope you can see how beautifully the foundation has been blended into my skin and is like totally merged into my skin. I'm loving it. This is what I was talking about. Your skin but a little bit more better, and I think I don't have a lot of blemishes as of now, but still whatever a little bit of hyperpigmentation I have and the scars I have, or my moles you can say, are still visible. So this is the coverage I wanted to go, and you can see I have also covered out my eyelid darkness as well, a little bit of that with the foundation. Now I will be taking my Sugar Cosmetics concealer, a little bit of the concealer, because this is a very full high coverage concealer, so you should not like apply a lot of it. Just a little bit of that. Okay, just that much. As you can see, I'm not doing any uplifting thing or anything like that, not highlighting my face with a concealer, nothing. Just a little bit on the inner corners to highlight and enhance my eyes even more. Again, I'm taking the same beauty blender, and with the tip of the beauty blender, I'm going to blend out the concealer. So now the concealer is also all set on my eyes, and now we are going to the next step, that is applying a little bit of color to the face. And when I say color guys, I meant of applying a little bit of blush, and for that I will be using the Hina Beauty Lush Rose. This is very beautiful blush. It is a liquid blush and is so perfect for everyday use. But this is very highly pigmented, so either you rub it on the back of your hand and just go and tap it around, or take a very little amount of the product, which I will be doing now. So what I will be doing is just taking, okay, this might also be very loud, but we will quickly go and set it now. Guys, can you see it is so highly pigmented? We took such little amount of product and you can already see a lot of color on my face. So always be careful about how much product you take. If you are trying the product for the very first time, take it on the back of your hand and then just apply it, so that you are able to sense the pigment actually. So next guys, we will be setting out this face because we don't have to apply any other liquid product. I will be using this sugar translucent powder to set my entire face. I like a very matte finish look rather than a very gloss finish look, because I feel as I have an oily skin type, the dewy makeup looks a lot more greasy than dewy on me, and I personally prefer going for matte looks. So that's why I'm going to mattify this look as well, although it's not looking dewy at all. So guys, now if you want, you can go and use a little bit of contour. I will be showing you how to do that. So I took a very little amount of contour, because again this product is very highly pigmented, and very lightly I'm going with the contour, like there's something but there's nothing. Again, very light-handedly you have to apply your products. You have to hold your brushes very light-handedly and take very minimal products. Don't take over products. Also guys, when I say minimal, I don't mean do conjuicy on taking out the products. Don't take this much of foundation, this much of concealer. Take as much as it is required according to the look. Okay, now I know a lot of people who think taking minimal product means they think they will take a little bit of foundation and they will apply it on the entire face. No, it won't work. So take little product, but take sufficient product as well. I hope that makes sense. And I'm just going on with the same brush, and there's nothing in this brush. I'm going around my nose area so that it looks a little bit warm. That's it you guys. I'm not going to touch or take any more product. Now guys, at this point your eyes would be looking very like very open, very what do we say, very naked I can say. So to put on some colors, now you don't need to get an extra palette. You can just take a little bit of contour and apply it to your eyes, so that it has a little bit of color to it and looks bit better. So I'm doing that. I'm taking the contour shade, the same contour Wet n Wild, and I'm using a very fluffy brush and a big eyeshadow brush, and I will just apply it on my entire eyelid. So I'm just covering my eyelid and I'm giving my eyelid a good color. Again, not a lot of product, because toning down your products is very difficult, but building the color, building the pigmentation is very easy you guys. So now after doing this, you can definitely go on with a little bit of wing, or maybe with the black eyeshadow you can make a small wing, but I'm going to let it stay like this because I want a very clean girl makeup look, baby. Now guys, the clean girl means you have to have like fluffy brows, like the model brows, but that model brows doesn't look good in this face, you know what I mean. So I'm going to like let my brows stay like this. I will just fill in the sparse area a little bit, bas thoda sa. And to fill in the sparse areas a little bit, I will be using this pack pomade. Pray for me that I will be able to handle my hands and will not go overboard with the brows, because I love doing a very sharp high arc brows. Taking my angular brush, I took a very little product and I have removed the extra product. And now I will just go. I don't want to give our God, please help me. Okay, I think I should stop here else I will go overboard. And I'm not taking extra product and I will go for this eye. Just filling the sparse areas. I think we are done, please. Okay, so I have tried to keep my brows as natural as I can. Next, I will be applying a little bit of the highlighter to my face. And for that, what I will be using is this highlighter from Balm Cosmetics. This is a very nice go-to highlighter. And I won't be using my brush because that will like deposit a lot of product. So I will be using my fingers. And can you see the highlighter? Nice and very glowy. Just like applying a very little bit of the highlighter and then blending it out with my fingers only. I'm hardly taking out any product and hardly applying any product. Just a little bit on the brow arc, brow bone, so that my brow looks lifted, but it looks very naturally lifted as well. Okay. Now guys, we are already for the last step, and for the last step, you know, it's lipstick. We have forgot one. This is the mascara. I will be using the K Beauty by Katrina mascara. Mascara never like makes your makeup overboard. So you can go on with a good coat of mascara. So I've coated my lashes with a good coat of mascara and we are done. And now to the last step, lipstick. So I've outlined a little bit of my lips using the Sugar Cosmetics brown lip shade. Because the lipstick shade that I'm going to use now will like usually fades and washes out my face. So I wanted something dark on the outer line so that it looks better. So I will be using this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lip. The clean girl makeup look is definitely incomplete with a good lip gloss. So for that I will be using this Nykaa lip gloss today. So this is how the final look looks, you guys. So guys, this is my take on the clean girl makeup look. You can definitely go on with this sleek bun to look more clean and neat. I won't be able to do that because of my bangs. I won't be able to take them high and won't make a clean hairstyle, but you can definitely go for that. And this is how the final look came. I hope you like this tutorial and you like this makeup routine and the look as well. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe.